Now I flew here the other day with the Air 75, loved it. As a challenging location, so I thought I'd do the same today with the Neo. And because we've got the volleyball courts to go under through the nets, there's some posts, there's these shade sails, so these ones with gaps in the middle, and it's got good shade because it's pretty hot today. So let's have a look. There is a lot of wind today. Let's start recording. Let's stick it into manual. We're at 27 degrees. Where motor's starting. Let's have a little looky. So many flies today, which is annoying. I do not want to go in that bush. So let's just check I can do some gaps. Oh, nearly in the shade sail. That's what I didn't want to do. I don't want to get this covered in sand. Oh, there's a fly on my leg. That was dodgy. Okay, so we can go around there, try and orbit. I have been trying trippy spins, only a couple of times on the simulator and then one go with the whoop. I daren't try it on the sand with this because I'm gonna end up having to keep going and getting it. Let's see if we can get through that gap. We can. Wow, that was impressive. It's a great place for close, slowish flying. Can I get through and out here? Just touched it. See, forgiving, that's good. Don't know if I can power loop that, can I? Oh, Jesus. Okay. No. Okay. We flipped. Okay, let's stick you on the Chesty. Do you still call this a Chesty? It's a Chesty with GoPro, isn't it? With the DJI Nano. Is it a Chesty? Okay. Should now see my sticks a bit better. Let's take off there. How much battery we got left? 80%. Not bad. Okay, start recording. We're into manual, 27 degrees. Motor's starting. And we're away. Okay, let's turn a little bit. Okay. Now where did I mess up? I think it was... Oh! That wind is really affecting it. Yeah. Touch, but I got through. I'll say that was intentional. So if you've noticed, I'm going nearly left turns all the time. I need to stop that. I need to play with some right turns. I'd highly recommend if you are working on learning manual that you do like figure eights and stuff, so forces you to go on your non-dominant side. I'm sure everyone has a dominant side when it's like this. You have a direction that you're happier to turn in. Tempted to try that trippy spin. It's not going to work. I'll end up sand everywhere. No, got away with it. Be a little bit careful over the trees. Drop, 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 drop. Oh, again, a little touch. I'm covered in flies. It's one of the big downsides of living in Australia. Whee. Right, should we try what we got? 65%. Let's try a power loop. The goal is to get over and back under. No, I lost my bearings. Okay, so I need to ride the upside down for a little bit longer. Oh, does that count? Whee, there's the prop wash. Not sure why it comes so far afterwards. Or it's not connected. Maybe that was just how fast I turned separately. There we go. Not bad, not bad. Oh, pop wash. Wee, 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 sort yourself out. It's like it's delayed, I'm not sure. Anyway. Get 2, here we go. Yeah. Okay, we've had an impact. So we're at 50%, and the impact, I'm guessing that the gimbal, yeah, is going to do a dance. So we need to bring it back. Got to remember how to stop the motors. There we go, see that? So one little knock and the gimbal gets all farty. Okay, let's just turn it off, back on. Should we try a hand launch? This is stupid. There's not really enough space to hand launch, but it's fun. Okay, we're good. Okay, start recording. Start in manual. Motor's starting. Okay, that was good. See, I've done that nice and easy. You don't have to give it full throttle when you do a hand launch like that. It's probably the calmest hand launch I've done, actually. Uh oh, stop. Definitely don't want the motors going when I'm upside down in the sand. Okay, I've broken or cracked 2 batteries and this one's nearly gone as well. I don't use the other 2. I'm going to get rid of those. Just be super careful. Okay, let's launch from the knee. We've only got a little bit of flight time left. Well, we're 39%. Manual, motor's starting. Yeah, I'm not sure it's flying 100% perfect, but the Neo's a bit scrappy anyway. And in this wind with this % battery, it might just be how it is. No, that's not too happy, I don't think. But we'll keep persevering. Oh, that was a funny feed. Funny feed, funny control, yes. I've got no power, look, I'm nothing. Something's not right here. A lot of battery sag, but no punch at all. Oh, I so want to try a trippy spin, but with 29% battery and the Neo, it's probably not the best. No, see, yeah. Okay, I'm just going to bring it back now. We're at 27. Oi, look at that. Dunk. Gimbal's all over the place. Yeah, we're dead. Okay. Okay, normal deal. Let me know if you have any questions about the DJI Neo, especially flying in manual. Let me know if you have any requests. Let me know if you have any advice, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one.